Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 35-foot outdoor 50,000 BTU auto-ignition propane gas fire table with waterproof cover for patio courtyard balcony. Let's start to introduce product-related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐚𝐭𝐭𝐞𝐫. The sturdy steel structure is very durable, and the black finish gives it a simple appearance, which is suitable for outdoor life. This fire pit table adds warmth and modern style to any outdoor living space. It is made of metal and has a solid surface and top, which will definitely complement any existing outdoor furniture and decoration. The convenient control panel can easily ignite and adjust the flame. Fire is fueled by propane tanks, not included, which can be stored in the table. When not in use, a steel lid is provided to cover the burning area to convert the fire pit into a table. The useful specifications are, for some specification, if you cannot find from the video, please contact our sales via 𝐚𝐭𝐭𝐞𝐫 website. 1. Product type, fire pit table. 2. Fuel type, propane, natural gas. 3. Adjustable flame, yes. For included, 1 PVC cover, lava rocks, 1 steel lid. 5. Product shape, square. 6. Country of origin, China. 7. Fire pit tabletop material, or powder. 8. Output, 50,000 BTU. 9. Filler accommodated, lava rocks/glass fire beads. 10. Material of internal combustion rack, iron. 11. Fits 20 pounds external gas tank not included. 12. Natural gas pipeline yes. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and outdoor decorations at http://www.𝐚𝐭𝐴𝐞.com. Our store offers quality patio sets, tables, chairs, sofas, sectionals, decor, and more. 𝐚𝐴𝐶 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐚𝐴𝐶 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via doloresjmonez12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.